Hi, I'm Jonny Swift, the PPC freelancer, and today I'm going to show you how to change headlines on Google Ads really easily. But first of all, just before we start, why would you want to change your headline on Google Ads? You might have got an offer that has expired. It has happened quite a lot, especially during holiday seasons. So double check those. There might be a typo. Again, check those. You'd be surprised how many people have typos within their Google Ads. It's really easy to do, as there's not much like spell checks on there. So double check those. Breaches advertising guidelines, could be a trademark issue, misleading claims, or restricted content, or you're not a fan of the messaging. So first of all, you need to locate the ad where you want your headline to be. If you're not 100% sure what ad is relevant, just look at the keywords and make sure they're relevant onto the ads. For example, you might be selling multiple products, just double check those. But for example, I have got an ad here that I created a while ago. And then if you want to change the headline, go to the ad. So for example, I'm in campaigns, the ad group PPC leads, and then in ads. So go to the ad and then just click on this edit button here. And here you will see the ad. For example, in this case, this is an old campaign that I've paused, but I promote a Google Ads audit. All I need to change, for example, if I wanted to get rid of this, if I do a free Google Ads audit, if you're interested, all you need to do is just click on something like this and just remove it or change it. Additionally, if you have a brand new headline you want to use, for example, you've got an unbelievable offer, let's say 50% off, you can say 50% off this summer. And now that could feature in some of your ad messaging. Normally, Google works as a way of trying to push things that are getting relevant clicks or even conversions within your website, especially if you're getting lots of clicks through to your website. It tries to utilize what headlines are working the best. Additionally, you could try to force a headline within Google. For example, if you click on this pin button here, you can pin a headline. For example, you can show the headline in position 1, position 2, or position 3, depending if you want. For example, if you've got an unbelievable offer that none of your competitors are close to, you can just showcase this on position 1, so people are more likely to see the USP. But for a lot of times, I just recommend to just show unpinned and make sure they're all unpinned. But like I mentioned, if you want to really scream about something, you've got opportunity now to add it. Once you've done that, you've made the changes to your headlines, scroll down to the bottom and just click on Save Ad. It's as simple as that. And that's exactly how you can change your headlines within Google Ads. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I create lots of guides when it comes to Google Ads that you might find useful. Thank you very much.